Can you see the puppy dog?
Puppy dog.
Yeah. He's going to help our friend read the story for us. Okay, you ready for the story?
Yes!
Yeah.
Romeo?
Puppy's name
The
is
Lost
Romeo.
Bird by Issa Kay and Maxon May. It was a dark and stormy night. When the sun came up, a girl found a lost little bird with no nest or family in sight. Wrapping the bird in a blanket, she gave it a home in a basket and loved the little bird a lot. Day by day the bird grew, till one day the girl knew it was time to set it free. So out the window he flew, as far as his wings could fly, to a great big forest nearby. It was then that a question came, what bird am I? Then he thought, I'm an eagle. Or could it be I'm a parrot? Oh look, I'm a duck, he wished.
The puppy.
Poof, poof. On and on it goes. The bird kept trying to be like all the other birds, since he wasn't sure which one was he. I'm just a lost bird, he finally realized.
Who brings Easter eggs for us? Who? Lena?
Everybody's student, he writes a letter in the book and send it to Santa, and Santa reads it, and the bunny's trying to